All right, today I have a Subaru Outback, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hazard lights on a Subaru Outback. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way? I'll really appreciate it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this. All right, so to turn on the hazard lights, okay, you're going to want to look towards the center of the vehicle. And then you see up on here on the dashboard, do you see this right here? This triangle shape right here, this is the button for the hazard lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this. So I press this, and when I press this, you look up on the screen right here, or the dashboard, those buttons lighting up right here. That is indicative that the hazard lights are on, okay? So in order to turn them off, the hazard lights, you see they're blinking right there, indicative that both of them are on, blinking. I am going to look back over here to this triangle, and I'm going to go ahead and press this one more time. And when I press that, the hazard lights are off, and that's how you turn on and off the hazard lights, hazard flashers, whatever you want to call them, hazards, in a Subaru Outback. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.